Welcome to Unlock Your Intuition, the gift you're giving yourself of creating a space for meditation where you can truly manifest what you desire in your life. The guided meditation we're going to go on today is a new way to ground, a new way to connect, a new way to release energy that's no longer serving you, and a way for you to separate the energy that is yours and the energies that you may be taking on from others. So I'd like you to take a deep life breath and hold and release and hold, and just center yourself wherever you are. If you're laying down, sitting up, wherever you're comfortable is where you're going to enjoy this meditation. Close your eyes. Relax. Be open to what we're going to explore in your intuition today. We're going to start with one deep life breath, and as you inhale, you're going to be comfortable from where you are. You're going to have your grounding cord, and on the exhale, your grounding cord is going to go easily and effortlessly into the center of the earth and anchor there. So breathe in and hold and release and anchor. On this next life breath, the crown of your head is going to open, and on the inhale, you're going to release your connection to Source, to God, to the heavens above, to the universe. And on the exhale, you're going to connect to that source energy. And breathe in. And hold. And release. And connect. Now that you've connected to the source and connected to the Mother Earth, I'd love for you now to just center yourself, breathe normally, and notice where any energy that's no longer serving you, notice where it's showing up in your body. Now, as we take this next life breath in, I want you to imagine that as you breathe in, this beautiful rainbow of colors, red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, dark blue, and lavender, come out in this beautiful rainbow as you inhale. And as you exhale, those rainbow colors come shooting out of the sky and into your body. We'll walk through each color. So as you take a deep breath in, notice that rainbow and breathe in and hold and release. And notice the red fills you up from the tips of your toes into the top of your hips. That red just shoots right from that rainbow. And now notice the orange comes right from the top of your hips, right into the middle of your stomach. And just notice how the orange just automatically connects there. And the yellow is now right under your diaphragm, right to the bottom of your heart. That yellow part of the rainbow just fills that area up. And then the green just covers your heart, all the way from the bottom of your heart to the bottom of your throat. That beautiful green part of the rainbow is just filling you up. And the light blue is covering and filling up your entire throat, where you feel this amazingness. And then the dark blue goes from behind your eyes all the way down into your chin and into your cheeks and into your jaw, and you just notice this amazing energy. And the lavender then comes to the crown of your head. I just want you to take a moment and feel that rainbow all at once. Take a life breath in. Feel the energy and release. Feel the energy. Now what I'd like you to do is notice that now you've appeared in this beautiful meadow. You're laying in the beautiful grass, soft, amazing, warm grass. You may be on a blanket. You may be directly on the grass. However you're showing up in this meadow is exactly how you should be showing up. The sun is the perfect temperature coming down on your face, on your arms, and on your legs. The breeze is exactly the temperature. It's either warm or cool, whatever makes you the most comfortable. And I'd like you to notice and put all of your attention on your feet and toes. And just notice how you're sinking deeper into the meadow floor. Your grounding cord is there, easy and effortless. Your connection to source is there, easy and effortless. Your body is filled up with those rainbow colors. And as you notice you coming up from your feet and toes, into your hips, into your stomach and back, and you notice how connected and relaxed you are, up to your shoulders, to the tips of your fingers, the back of your head. You just notice in your normal breath, as you inhale, you're noticing how you feel, and on the exhale, you sink deeper and deeper into the meadow floor, filled with that wonderful rainbow energy. So now what I'd like you to do is on this next life breath, as we breathe in, I want you to stretch your arms out, all the way out to the sides of you. And on the exhale, just sink deeper and deeper into the meadow floor and breathe in and hold and release and hold. And now that you're completely connected to source and the ground beneath you, and your arms are stretched out to your sides, I want you to notice this energy field around you. It might be really close to you. It might be at arm's length. It might be on the other side of the meadow. I just want you to notice this energy field and where is it in relation to your outstretched arms. Are your arms outside of it? Can you reach it? Is it right at the tip of your fingers, or is it all the way across the meadow? Just take a moment. Can you feel it? Can you see it? Do you just know it's there? Now that you've noticed where that energy field is, on this next life breath, as you breathe in, I want you to take notice of how do you feel? Do you feel anxious? Do you feel anger? Do you feel claustrophobic? Do you feel connected? Does it feel good? Whatever you're feeling, where this energy field is currently is where I want you to take notice. So breathe in and hold. Release. Now what I would like you to do is I'd like you to take your hands, and I'd love for you to move that energy field into a position that feels amazing. Some of you might need to make the energy field go away from your body a little much. Some of you may need to pull it in a little bit. whatever you do, I want you to play with it, move it in and out until you feel good. You feel safe. You feel secure. Whatever this energy field needs to do for you to feel that is absolutely amazing and what is exactly supposed to happen. Just take a couple of normal breaths. Move it in a little bit. Move it out. Play with it a little bit so you find that comfort. Sit there quietly with it for a moment. Okay. Now on this next life breath, as you breathe in, I want you to breathe in that amazing feeling of happy and joy and connected, and breathe out and just live in that space and feel that amazing energy. And breathe in and hold. Release and hold. Now I would like you to remember just a few moments ago when I asked you where was that energy in your body that's no longer serving you. The first thing I'd like you to notice is it still there? If it's not still there, then that means that the rainbow energy and connecting to your energy field has been able to release that energy that's no longer serving you. And that's an amazing feeling. So just check in with yourself. Take a couple of deep breaths, life breaths if you'd like, and just see where is that energy that was there a few moments ago. If it's still there, that's totally fine. If it's gone, that's totally fine. For those of you that still have some energy that's still there, there's a possibility that that energy is yours, and there's also a possibility that the energy that you're carrying does not belong to you. If you still have energy, I want you to focus on it and notice wherever it is in your body. Doesn't matter where it is. It could be in multiple places. I just want you to notice and ask yourself, is this energy mine or is this energy someone else? Now what I'd like you to do is anyone that has any type of energy, whether it's theirs or someone else, what we're going to do is we're going to take our hands, we're going to scoop that energy up wherever it is in our body. Multiple places is fine. And on the inhale of our life breath, we're going to gather all of that energy. And on the exhale, we're just going to push it to the outside of the energy field, outside of the bubble. Easy and effortless. On the inhale, we're going to gather all the energy, whether it's yours or someone else's. And on the exhale, we're going to place it outside of the bubble, outside of the energy field. And breathe in. And hold and release and hold. For those of you who did not have energy that was left after we filled the rainbow and adjusted our energy bubble, you have a new tool that if you ever do this exercise, when you do this exercise again, you will know that you can gather that energy and place it on the outside of the bubble. For those of you who noticed that you had energy that was not yours, your intuition said this energy does not belong to you, and you place it outside the bubble. This is an opportunity for you to gauge, when you're in your meditation, the energy that's no longer serving you. Does it belong to you, or does it belong to someone else? If it belongs to someone else, you can easy and effortlessly just place it on the outside of your bubble. You can still be there for them, you can still support them without having to take on their energy. If the energy was truly and solely yours, you always have the opportunity to take a life breath in and breathe out and send it down your grounding cord. Some of you might find this to be easier to gather it all up and just place it right outside your energy core, your energy bubble. Whatever works for you in any given situation is an amazing way for you to connect with your intuition. One thing I would love to encourage everyone is, if you notice that the energy is yours or was yours, ask your intuition, what is this energy trying to tell you? So that when you do release it, you can keep the learnings. Even though the energy has been released, we're going to ask our intuition what the learnings were from the energy that you just released. You can do this while the energy is still with you, or you can do it after you release it. So what I'd like you all now to do on this next life breath is ask your intuition, what was the learning that I needed, that I deserved to have from that energy, that I now can hold on to now that the energy is gone? And I'm going to encourage you to do this over 2 life breaths. And breathe in and hold and release. And again, inhale, hold, release, and hold. Thank you for joining us today. Your energy bubble is there for you at any time. If it gets too close, you can go into meditation and adjust it. If it's too far away, you can go into this meditation and adjust it. Realize that you don't have to hold anybody else's energy. And also learn to take the learnings from the energy that you are releasing. On this next life breath, as you breathe in, you're going to take all of those learnings and put them into your heart. And as you breathe out, you will come out of this meditation, open your eyes and feel relaxed and revitalized. And breathe in and hold and release. Welcome back. Thank you again for spending your time with me and unlocking your intuition. With love and high vibration, have a great day.